In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable and use Steam Family. Steam Family is a convenient feature that lets you share your game library with eligible accounts on the same computer, making it easier for family members or trusted users to enjoy games without purchasing separate copies. If you'd like to set up library sharing, this tutorial will walk you through the process from start to finish in just a few minutes. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If Steam isn't installed yet, download and install it before continuing. Once the application is launched, check whether you're already signed in. If not, click the Login button, enter your account name and password, and then click Sign In. After logging in successfully, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. Next, move your cursor to the top left corner of the Steam window and click on Steam. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings to open Steam's configuration window, where you can customize different features of your account and client. Inside the Settings window, look through the menu on the left and select Family. This section contains the options related to Steam Family and library sharing. Before making any changes, it's worth noting that some accounts may have limited access to these settings. For example, newly created or limited accounts may not be able to enable library sharing until they meet Steam's requirements. If the option is available, locate the setting labeled Authorize Library Sharing on this computer and check the box next to it. This enables Steam Family sharing for the current device and allows eligible accounts that use the same computer to access your shared library. After enabling library sharing, you'll see a list of eligible Steam accounts that have previously signed into this computer. Review the list and select the accounts you want to authorize by checking the box beside each one. Once you've finished making your selections, click OK to save your changes. Your Steam Family setup is now complete. The authorized accounts will be able to access your shared game library when they sign in on this computer, provided the games support library sharing. If you ever decide to stop sharing your library with a particular account, simply return to the Family settings and remove the authorization by unchecking the appropriate box. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to enable and use Steam Family to share your game library with eligible accounts. Hopefully this guide made the setup process quick and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!